Hello everyone, I hope everyone is having a wonderful day. Before starting the video, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. It's no secret that ex-reality TV stars Todd and Julie Chrisley were dissatisfied with the outcome of their financial-related court action last year. In the summer of 2022, they were found guilty of bank fraud and other felonies and sentenced to years in prison. The Chrisley Knows Best alums and their families have since claimed that government errors, bias, and other factors harmed their legal procedures. With that, they attempted to appeal the case, and little has been spoken about it for some time. However, their new counsel revealed what's going on with their Retrial effort this week. Jay Sargent is the Chrisley's newest legal counsel, and he's made multiple remarks on their behalf during the last few days. He notably criticized Julie and Todd Chrisley's prison conditions, as well as the latter's failed home confinement plea. Sargent said that they don't know yet about the pair's appeal and how the process would progress. He also said that he and his colleagues did our final filings last week. So the attorney that met with people appears to be stating that he has done everything he can at this point. As a result, they will have to wait for the court to complete the process. There are several possible outcomes, and the white-collar crime specialist outlined them during his talk with the trade. The 11th Circuit Court of Appeals has the option of overturning the district court or remanding the case for hearings that should have been held but were not during the course of this trial. We argued vehemently that their constitutional rights had been violated and that they had not been given a fair hearing. Actually, everything is in black and white. Alex Little, another lawyer for the Chrisley family, stated months ago that he was optimistic about their chances of winning an appeal. He claimed that the case had been marred by serious and repeated errors. At the time, he made a particular accusation regarding the government lying to jurors about what taxes the couple paid. Little expressed his desire for a retrial when Todd and Julie arrived in prison in January. On that instance, he claimed that the Georgia Department of Revenue conducted an unconstitutional search at the outset of the case, citing testimony from an IRS official. Todd Chrisley was sentenced to 12 years in prison following the case's verdict and is currently spending that time in the federal prison camp in Pensacola, Florida. Julie was sentenced to 7 years in prison and is currently detained at the Federal Medical Center Lexington in Kentucky. Before reporting to their various facilities in January, they discussed the subject on their podcast, as much as they legally could. According to sources, the Chrisleys felt they were targeted unfairly by the judge because of their famous position. Alleged details about their prison sentences have recently become major conversation points. Chase and Savannah Chrisley claimed their parents are being held in deplorable conditions, and that Julie is being attacked by snakes. In addition, she claimed that her mother was treated worse than assistance dogs at her institution. The Federal Prison Bureau responded with a denial of the charges. The Chrisleys appear intent on constructing a successful appeal now more than ever. Whether or not it happens remains to be seen at this time. Nonetheless, Jay Sargent's recent comments indicate that they are doing everything necessary to enhance their case.